Hey guys, welcome to Learning is Life. This is Arman, and here in this video I am going to talk about Profit Fixer review and Profit Fixer demo. But before going further in this video, if you are watching me for the first time, then please go to my channel. This is my channel Learning is Life, and subscribe the channel. Please press the bell icon. You will get my updates whichever video I will be publishing in my YouTube channel. You will be getting so many software related videos, software reviews videos, software demo videos in my channel, and most of the products will be based on earn money online. So friends, this video is for you guys if you are willing to work like a graphic designer, if you are working in Fiverr or Upwork like freelancing platform. So friends, this product is for you, this video is for you. Please watch this video till the end. Don't skip this video. If you want to start your career in freelancing, it's a great product for you guys. If you don't have any idea with the graphic designing, then also you can start your career in graphic designing with Profit Fixer. And this video is also for them who are looking to hire graphic designer for their company. So friends, let's start with the product review. This is the official page of Profit Fixer. So here you can see that no more hours spent in frustration trying to design graphics yourself, and no more hundreds of dollars for every image you need. Create gorgeous high-end graphic designs for any marketing need in only 1 minute without any monthly fees. Create unlimited designs, 250 templates. So what are the things you are getting in this product? Millions of stunning designs, one-time fee, generate massive viral traffic, fully editable in the cloud software, no design skill required, no need to wait for the designer's commercial license if you purchase today, huge variety of social media templates, take your brand to the next level, create side income from design freelancing, never have to invest in stock images again. Here you can get so many of testimonials from the product user. You can see UX designer, social media marketer, product designer, business developer. The secret to the top 10 successful online business lies here, right in front of your eyes. So Amazon, Lamborghini, Apple, eBay, Alibaba, Expedia, TripAdvisor, Yandex. So what are the common things in between them? Obviously the graphic design and the visuals. Because visuals are processed 60,000x faster in the brain than the text. So here you can get an idea that how much money the top companies are expending on their logo designing. Pepsi, $1 million in 2008. BBC, $1.8 million in 1997. Accenture, $100 million. Companies are investing in their graphic designing, in their visuals, so much amount. And friends, you can do the graphic designing whatever you want from your own, and in second from now you can create such stunning visuals for your business, clients, websites and your social media in seconds only. So here is the inventor of the product, Profit Fixer. Infographics, gift certificates, Facebook post, Twitter post, Pinterest post, Google Plus post, Facebook covers, YouTube covers, Twitter headers, LinkedIn post, Instagram post, business cards, Twitter lead generation cards and Twitter promoted tweet. So here is the question, how do you get stunning graphic designs? If you have absolutely no designing and technical skills, yes, you can. You can also start your designing career with this product only, Profit Fixer. Sometimes what we are doing, we are stealing someone else's work that can result in fine and legal cost or legal penalties also. So what about paying a designer to make your graphics? Well, we went to the world's premier outsourcing marketplace named Upwork. Inventor of this product placed an ad in Upwork that he needed graphic design skill like this, and here is the phenomenal replies came to him. As you can see, the amount here is $16,000, $10,000, $10,000. So friends, here you can get an estimate that how much money they are earning, the graphic designers in the Upwork or in Fiverr. As you can see, no one would do the work for less than $10,000 for the graphics he has specified in the advertisement. So you have to expense that $10,000 amount for your company to get that much of graphics you needed. If you are searching for some royalty free images, you can check in Shutterstock. So much of amount you have to pay for them to buy the stock images. And here you can see that Shutterstock's lowest plan, to get 10 images you have to bear $19 per month, guys. Not only do good designs, you can save your money, and also you can earn more money by selling social media graphics. Like, see, here are some gigs in front of you that I will design your social media graphic, $995. I will create a professional social media design for you, $500. I will produce graphics and designs for your company, $950. So my solution is, go to the description below, hit the link given in the description, purchase the product. You can thank me later also, and you can earn so much of amounts if you are like working in graphic design field. I think that you have got the overview of this product, of this software, Profit Pixar. So here is my duty to tell you about the total details, total review and the demo for the Profit Pixar for you guys. So friends, here introducing Profit Pixar. Create eye-catching graphics, visuals and just about everything else in 60 seconds. You can create this like of graphics by your own if you purchase this product now. So here is the demo. What is this demo? Detailed Profit Pixar demo. We can see this demo after also. Let's get some overview. So here are 3 steps if you want to get that eye-catching graphics. Number 1, select a template or an empty canvas. Type in the keyword and edit the template where the AI comes into play. Step 3, save and download and print your designs. Fully cloud-based software with millions of designs. Product feature for sales page. 250 plus designs, templates, resize designs at any size. 10 plus millions of stock photos. 1 plus million icons. In-depth editing tools. Multiple download options like PNG and JPG. Over 1000 plus fonts. Regular template updates. Drag and drop interface. Up to 500 Google fonts, stock images and vector graphics. Instantly you can get access to thousands of background images and fully customizable vector graphics to use them in your projects which are royalty free. Canvas pan, Facebook post, Facebook covers, YouTube covers, Pinterest post, Twitter headers, amazing logos, LinkedIn posts, Instagram posts, business cards, access to 10 lakh plus premium icons. So friends, here is your life with Profit Pixar and without Profit Pixar. So your life without Profit Pixar is like high cost for your graphic designing, low creativity, missed deadlines, missed opportunities, limited potential. And with Profit Pixar, what you can get? So you can enjoy one-time fee for all the graphics you are wanted, high creativity, tight deadlines made, massive opportunities, unlimited potential, ready to jump on any opportunities like coronavirus, give up the day job and live the laptop lifestyle. Yes. So here you can get that how Profit Pixar will change your business starting today. You can become a graphic designer authority overnight with the world's best image, stock photos and social media banners. Become a successful freelancer, amazing graphics at your fingertips. No sleepless nights about backups, upgrades or copyrights, missed deadlines. No more monthly fees to stock images websites. No more paying thousands to have graphic design. So here you can get a difference in front of your eyes that this is a raw photo without Profit Pixar, and how can we customize this photo with the Profit Pixar. So with the Profit Pixar we can customize this photo like this. Isn't it an amazing product? What do you say, guys? Please give your feedback in the comment section. And here you can get the difference from other companies like Profit Pixar, Usein, Snappa, Canva, Design Pro 2 and Pixel Modo. So you can pause this video now and you can get all the differences here you are getting with Profit Pixar. See, with Profit Pixar you are getting 3.5 million plus free images, stock images like 300k plus images. See here the difference. Fonts, total 900 plus fonts for you. And with the storage you can get unlimited storage from here only. Ebook creator, advanced editing tools, commercial license, priority support. Guys, you cannot get any priority support from these companies, from this software. But with Profit Fixer, you will get Profit Fixer with priority support. You can check the price. The Profit Fixer price is $37 only for the one-time charges. But here you can get $120 per year, $239 per year, $120 per year. Here you get $47 for the one-time fees, but here only $37, only one time. Guys, you can purchase the product given in the link in the description below. But before this, let's go ahead and check some bonuses which you are getting with this Profit Fixer product. So much of bonuses, friends. Number one is there 2,500 plus people's cutout images and PNG images. Number two is there 8,000 plus HD images, $15 each. 60,000 plus HD images which will cost you like $60,000. Number fourth is 25,000 plus vector graphics bundle, 750 plus ultra HD 4K videos which may cost you $18,750. Here you can get free with this product. Number six is 8,000 plus HD videos which is literally cost around $120,000. Bonus number 7, you will get like 15 promo videos. Number 8, you are getting 35% direct response letters by which you can do your email marketing more ever better and better. 727 eye-catching Facebook ad images which you can use for your Facebook ad campaign and which cost is like $197. So friend, this is the time for you to take your future of your business in your hands by creating designs that truly capture your vision and imaginations. So here is the question is, who needs this Profit Fixer? The answer is the marketers, the affiliate marketers, the website owners, the freelancers, video marketers, book publishers, e-commerce store owners and newbies. Whoever want to get into the graphic designing, they all need this Profit Fixer. Stop paying money to the freelancers. Stop paying and stop hiring designers that think they are God's gift to the world. Here is the everything you will receive with the purchase Profit Fixer today. And once again, friends, you can also pause this video and get all the things read before purchasing this Profit Fixer. 8,000 plus HD videos worth $15 each, estimated worth $120,000. Twitter headers $197 value. Access to 10 million plus stock photos, copyright free. Friends, this is priceless. This is an awesome price and all the things you are getting only on $31 for today only. So friends, grab on these opportunities and just go to the links given in the below description box and make your purchase. Guys, if you are in the freelancing profession, if you are working in Fiverr or Upwork, and if you want to work like a freelancer, if you want to get your 9 to 5 job behind, if you want to be a laptop personality, then go for this product. Purchase this tool, Profit Fixer, and be a legend in graphic design profession. Just invest today only $31 and you can earn more than $1,000 per month just doing graphic designing, just doing logo, just doing social media banners. Do marketing for your profession and thank me later for this outstanding products which you are getting only $31 only for today only. Just go and make the product for your own if you want to be a more successful in your freelancing profession. For me, friends, frankly speaking, this is a phenomenal product which we are getting in that awesome price. The value we are getting is here priceless. Just grab this opportunity, friends. And here we will see live demo of Profit Fixer. Just watch the demo and you will definitely love this software, definitely love this tool. don't quit this video. So guys, in this video I have told you about Profit Fixer review and Profit Fixer demo. Hope guys this video was awesome. You have loved this product and you are going to purchase this product. This is Arman signing off, wishing for your awesome career ahead. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching the video. Keep learning and always keep teaching.